Take a look at what Ola Electric has reported. In fact, it has reported its smallest loss in the second quarter. The Bhavish Agarwal-led company has seen its second quarter loss narrow to 495 crores versus a loss of 525 crores that was reported in the same period last year. Meanwhile, the revenue of the company has risen to nearly 40% to 1,214 crores in the same period. Sumit Chaturvedi, my colleague, is joining in with more details of Ola's quarterly earnings. So, Sumit, on the loss front, the company has reported a pretty decent figure. In fact, it's been able to minimize its losses.
Well, all eyes today are on Ola results in second quarter. Well, company has narrowed its loss to 500 crore rupees from 524 crore rupees. Well, that's a bit of breather for the company. But today, company's con call, a lot of things were discussed and announced. First of all, Ola is going to continue its expansion when it comes to dealerships and products. Well, company will launch around 20 products in the next 2 years. It will include motorcycles, scooters, and even three-wheelers. That was what Bhavish Agarwal, he announced, Ola's founder and CMD announced all that. He also addressed issues linked to customer issues, customer complaints. He said that 80,000 number is being quoted on customer complaints, but a majority of them, or in fact many of them, are regular complaints or maybe accident complaints or serviceable complaints. So these are not very serious in nature. That's how he addressed the overall issue. Well, we know that Ola Electric now is a listed firm, and after raising money, it is on a different growth path. However, over the last few weeks, the complaints of customers against Ola were really shocking, and that was taken note of by the regulators, also ministries, and they all told Ola to bring its own business back into shape and address the needs of the customers when it comes to serviceability. So this was all announced in today's con call, where Bhavish Agarwal took questions on expansion and also service complaints.
All right, strong sales really drive Ola's Q2 numbers. So far as the revenues are concerned, the revenues have gone up, the losses have minimized, and that definitely is on account of the kind of sales that the company is seeing. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, this is also the first time that the company is reporting its numbers after it got listed on the bourses. Let's now take a look at what Bhavish Agarwal, the chairman and MD of Ola Electric, had to say on the company's growth outlook going forward.
This quarter and even then after that, October last month, we've seen EV penetration start to hit a bit of an inflection point, especially if you see the scooter EV penetration. In August this year, which is in Q2, we launched our motorbike portfolio, especially the Roadster portfolio. And the first bike is on track for deliveries next quarter. So we are on track with our motorcycle launch and execution and delivery roadmap. In addition to just the Roadster series, we also announced a bunch of other motorcycle products which will come out through the next year or two, as well as the Gen 3 platform, on top of which more scooter products will be coming. There's been some media speculation in the past, and about us working on three-wheelers. So yes, we are building three-wheelers. The beauty is that it shares the same platform as our S1 in terms of electronics, battery architecture, powertrain. Only the mechanicals are different. So you see the three-wheeler product roadmap also in that chart. So net, very strong product lineup over the next 2 years, almost 20 plus products to be coming over the next 2 years.
All right, so whopping 20 plus products is what the company is planning to launch. Remember, these numbers are also coming in. The management commentary is also coming in, even as Ola is facing a barrage of consumer complaints in its after-sales service that is being looked up at by authorities as well. But on that,
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.